Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create realistic wound using scar wax. So first off, you'll be needing liquid latex. You'll also be needing modeling wax, spirit gum. You go in with your skin illustrator, appropriate alcohol, fake blood, a stipple sponge and a wedge sponge. You also need a spatula and a baby oil. So first step, you need to wipe the area where you want your wound to be. You go in with your spirit gum, and this is to adhere the scar wax you want to apply on your skin. You wait till it gets tacky, and this is when the scar wax can stick to your skin. Take the amount of scar wax you need. Apply baby oil on your fingertip, and this is done so that the scar wax doesn't stick to your finger where you're trying to apply it. So you want to blend out the edges with a baby oil. This is going to help your edges look more seamless and easy to blend. So for the inner part, we're going in with our alcohol activated palette. I'm going in with the red shade to give an illusion of a wound that is almost healing. So we're trying to make it less gory so YouTube doesn't flag it down. So we're going in with the red shade at the edges, and then we'll also go in with other shades. We'll go in with a deeper red, we'll go in with a black shade at the edges just to create depth and for it to look more realistic. Then you want to go in with a powder that is one shade darker than your skin tone to go over the wound that is created, and this is to reduce the shine and also let it blend into your skin. So this is what it looks like. But to create a longevity, to make your prosthetic on your skin last longer, you want to go in with a liquid latex to seal it up, and this is going to let your prosthetics last longer on your skin. It wouldn't let it rip off, it'll be easier. Then go over your powder again, apply blood all over the edges. Make sure you don't over apply it so it looks realistic. Apply blood inside, and voila, here's the final look, guys.